Hello GLA family, I'm Anmol Nagpal and you're watching the GLA Monthly Bulletin, bringing you all the exciting events, achievements and milestones from the month of February 2025. And what a power-packed month it has been, from insightful discussion to thrilling fests, sports extravaganzas and innovation-driven boot camps. GLA University was buzzing with action. So let's dive straight into the highlights. The month kicked off with the much-awaited Union Budget 2025 announcement by the Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. In response, GLA University's Institute of Business Management organized a panel discussion titled Decoding the Union Budget 2025 Impact and Opportunities. The esteemed panel included industry experts and professors from GLA University. Each expert provided valuable insights on how the budget will impact business, entrepreneurs and the economy. Following the discussion, Professor Anurag Singh, Director IBM, spoke exclusively to GLA Media Scoop TV, offering financial management tips for fresh graduates and young professionals entering the job market. Let's hear what he has to say. Professor Anurag Singh, welcome to GLA Media Scoop TV, sir.
Hearty greetings. Thank you for having me.
So, Professor Singh, for a fresh graduate or young professional stepping into the job market, managing finances can be overwhelming. What are some beginner-friendly investment options to start with? And what key financial management tips would you give to ensure long-term stability and growth?
Yeah, you asked me a very interesting question that how the people who have just entered into the job market or our youth, how they shall manage their, say, funds and savings. So, of course, this is always very prudent that they must start saving as soon as possible, as early as possible, because this is a small saving, it ends up into a big corpus. But of course, what is very important that they must understand the finance, they must understand the investment. See, saving is not the investment, first of all, right? If you are just not spending, so you are saving, but saving doesn't mean an investment. Then secondly, where you are investing. And one shall not give up to the temptation, because in the market, people, they run for making a quick money. So they think that, well, rather than investing into, say, the mutual fund, which is traditionally a very safe way of investing, there is a trend that people, they invest into futures and options, which many of them, I am very sure they don't understand it. It's such a complex, say, the financial instrument. But they think that, well, it's a quick way, easy way to make a lot of money. So they always go for that. So these temptations are really not good. So I think the right thing is to develop their, say, financial quotient. So the financial literacy is very important. They must read a lot, and a lot of information is available these days. But they must reach to the right sources also, right? And to begin with, probably they can start with some they can do the investment into, say, the mutual fund. That is a safe kind of arrangement, I would say. FD could be the fine thing. And once they gain understanding, then they can get into the equity market. But of course, always the focus should be on the fundamentals, and they must learn to become a long-term investor rather than just a fly-by-night kind of operator. That is not going to take them very far. So this is my advice.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insights.
Thank you.
GLA University reached new heights in technical innovation by hosting TechNavya 2025 on the 7th and 8th of February. This two-day extravaganza featured 17 thrilling sub-events attracting tech enthusiasts from across the country. The fest was open to participants from other institutions, making it a grand success. The winners received exciting cash prizes, goodies and vouchers across the 17 sub-events, adding to the competitive spirit and enthusiasm of the participants. The grand finale of TechNavya was an unforgettable musical night, where celebrity DJ Anamika set the stage on fire with her electrifying performance, making it a perfect ending to 2 days of tech and talent celebration. Adding a touch to glamour to the Tech Fest, GLA University proudly launched its fashion society, GLA Showstoppers, at the Tech Walk event under TechNavya. With a focus on creativity, style and confidence, this society promises to redefine the fashion scene on campus. The spirit of sportsmanship came alive at August 2025, GLA University's annual Inter-University Sports Fest. The event was inaugurated in the esteemed presence of our visionary leaders, Mr. Neeraj Agarwal, CEO, GLA University, Ms. Radhika Agarwal, Vice President, Corporate Relations, GLA University. A special highlight of the event was a meet and greet session with the officials and the cricket team of Braj Warriors, an exceptional team from Mathura and its suburbs. The team is mentored by none other than former Indian cricketer Harbhajan Singh. From 17 to 21st February, GLA University played host to the Ministry of Education's IDE Boot Camp, a national level initiative focused on innovation, design thinking, and entrepreneurship. The event, organized in collaboration with AICTE and the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, saw enthusiastic participation from students and educators alike. The event aligned perfectly with Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision to nurture innovation and self-reliance, empowering participants to tackle 21st century challenges with confidence. And that's a wrap with the February 2025 edition of GLA Monthly Bulletin, brought to you by GLA Media Scoop TV. It has been an eventful month filled with knowledge, creativity, and innovation. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow GLA Media Scoop for exclusive interviews, highlights, and behind the scenes action. Until next time, this is Anmol Nagpal from Team Branding signing off. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep making GLA University proud.